What is that?
Dirt bike.
Whose dirt bike?
Colton's.
Colton's dirt bike? Do you want to go ride that dirt bike?
Yeah.
You like riding? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Daddy. To Mike.
You want to ride with Mike or with Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy? Whose dirt bike is that?
Mike's.
Mike's?
Yeah.
So who's going to ride?
Colton.
And who else?
Colton.
Colton and who else?
Mike.
Mike?
Yeah.
Can BB drive it?
Yeah.
How about Mommy? Can Mommy drive it?
No.
Who's going to ride it?
Corey.
Who?
Corey.
Corey. You think? Is Corey going to drive that dirt bike?
Yeah.
No. Colton?
No, I drive it.
Colton going to ride the dirt bike?
No.
Who's going to ride it?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Can Colton ride with Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Daddy. I play school anymore. I play school for this. I want dirt bike. Here, baby, here. And my dirt bike.
You want to ride? You want to ride the dirt bike?
No, tomorrow.
You want to ride it tomorrow?
No.
Huh.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
I love you.